In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your YouTube TV subscription directly from your iPhone. While the cancellation process isn't done through the YouTube TV app itself, you can easily manage it through your account settings on the web. Start by opening the Safari browser or any browser on your iPhone and go to tv.youtube.com. Sign in with the Google account you used to subscribe to YouTube TV. Once logged in, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, scroll down to the Membership section and tap Cancel Membership. You may be asked to provide feedback about why you're canceling. This step is optional. After confirming your decision, you'll retain access to YouTube TV until the end of your current billing cycle, so you won't lose access immediately. Keep in mind that canceling will delete all your cloud DVR recordings and scheduled shows, so make sure to download or watch anything important before proceeding. If you subscribe to YouTube TV through the App Store, you'll need to cancel via your iPhone's Settings app instead. Go to Settings, Your Name, Subscriptions, find YouTube TV, and tap Cancel Subscription. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to cancel YouTube TV on your iPhone, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.